The one canary in the coal mine for me that hasn't really moved just yet is credit spreads. And I think they're due a blowout. They're currently trading the highest since March 2021, albeit really, really low. But when that happens, one of my mates works at a credit research house, and I was chatting to him just last week. I think it was on maybe last week before, on I think the 23rd or 24th of Feb, and he said that there hadn't been a deal done, a high yield deal done since the 10th of Feb. So that was about 2 weeks. Now that's unheard of. And on that day, he'd actually had 3 reports of deals being cancelled because of the market conditions. Now, if you consider that firms don't want to do credit deals, that sounds like a bit of a liquidity issue, right? And so, I really see credit spreads as being the one factor that hasn't necessarily moved enough yet.
Right.
US specific here. Europe, they've blown out a tiny bit more.
Yeah.
And that's probably reflected in things like the DAX move and whatnot. But yeah, US credit spreads, I'd really, really be paying attention to.
Particularly if they go on a 50 basis point hike.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's
exactly
significant.
And also over the coronavirus pandemic, because, meetings and negotiations couldn't be face-to-face for a lot of it. Firms were already pricing debt at a premium to get the deals done. So if you consider that these are firms that are already under the cosh, they're paying above odds due to some kind of idiosyncratic factor.
Yeah.
So, big issues there, I think, in credit.